Hi guys, today I'm going to show you scissors of a comb. So it's actually divided of two different techniques. So first technique is for the beginners and second technique is for the intermediate and advanced. So the first, you go this way towards to you. So you see what's going on here and you carry on and you carry on. That's the first technique. Towards to you. Towards to you, towards to you. And second technique, you're actually going that direction. You're going that direction. You're going that direction. First technique. Second technique. Thank you, enjoy.